Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on a 2GB RAM PC. We will begin by selecting a lightweight Android emulator, specifically designed for systems with limited memory. Next, we will meticulously configure its settings, ensuring maximum performance without causing system lag. Finally, we will adjust the in-game graphics for a smooth experience. This approach helps you enjoy the game, even on older hardware, by carefully managing resources and expectations. Choosing the correct emulator is the first vital step for playing PUBG Mobile smoothly on low-end hardware. Focus on options known for their lightweight design and minimal resource consumption. Some popular choices, like LD Player or specific older versions of GameLoop, offer excellent performance for 2GB RAM systems. Always verify the emulator's compatibility with your operating system and hardware before installing it. This initial decision significantly impacts your overall gaming experience. After installing your chosen emulator, meticulous optimization of its settings is absolutely essential for a 2GB RAM PC. Allocate a virtual RAM amount, ideally around 1,500 megabytes, to prevent memory bottlenecks. Set the display resolution to 720p or even 480p to reduce the rendering load significantly. Furthermore, ensure you disable any advanced graphical options or high frame rate targets that your system simply cannot sustain. These adjustments drastically improve responsiveness and frame rates. Once inside PUBG Mobile, dive into the in-game graphics settings for crucial adjustments. Start by setting the graphics quality to smooth, which provides the best performance for low-end systems. For frame rate, choose low or medium to maintain consistent gameplay, even if it means sacrificing some visual fluidity. Remember to turn off advanced effects such as anti-aliasing, shadows, and any high-definition settings. These changes dramatically improve your game's responsiveness, making it much more playable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.